Alright, good day and welcome to learning exercise 5.2.2.1. This unit will be translating hyperbola and redrawing it. Advanced topic. So, given to you fx equal minus 6 over x plus 1. Question states, determine a new equation g of x if fx is reflected about the y-axis across the y-axis. So, reflection across the y-axis, by now you should know my x value must become negative. So g of x becomes f negative x. So wherever I have x, I substitute in now with negative x. So minus 6 over negative x plus 1 becomes 6 over x plus 1. We had to plot the graph. Basically what happens now, see there my graph was negative, so it should have been in the second and fourth quadrant. Now with reflection across the y-axis, it goes to first and third quadrant. So the graph went from there, reflected across that line to there. This graph went from there, reflected across that line to there. You can see my asymptote still stayed the same, plus 1. Right? Hope you understand. Look second way, can again give you minus 6x, minus 6 over x plus 1. Determine new equation g of x. F of x is reflected across the y-axis. So I need to understand g of x now equals negative f of x. So across the x-axis, y value becomes negative. So it becomes minus y equal minus 6 over x plus 1. Now when I multiply, negative 6 over x times negative becomes positive 6 over x plus 1 becomes minus 1. And the reflection across the x-axis, my graph was negative. So initially it was in the second and the fourth quadrant. This graph got translated to there across the x-axis, and that graph got translated to there across the x-axis. Hope you understand. All the best. Continue practicing. And remember, you were born great. All you require is a little work to get to that greatness. God bless. Tot ziens.